If you want Jellyfin on Apple TV, start with Swiftfin, not AirPlay. The best setup is native Apple TV playback, with mirroring kept as a backup. Open the Apple TV App Store and search for Swiftfin. Install the free app. You do not need sideloading, a jailbreak, or a test flight workaround for the normal setup. When Swiftfin opens, enter your Jellyfin server URL on a home network. That usually means the local IP address plus the Jellyfin port, then your normal Jellyfin username and password. Your library comes from the server. Artwork, metadata, watch history, and user profiles all sync from Jellyfin, so the computer or NAS running Jellyfin must stay online during playback. The goal is direct play. If your Apple TV 4K can play the file directly, the server mostly just sends the file. If it transcodes, the server has to work much harder. First, check Swiftfin's video settings and set maximum bitrate to maximum. A low bitrate cap can make Swiftfin request a lower quality stream and trigger an unnecessary transcode. Second, fix tvOS. Go to Video and Audio, then Match Content, and enable both Match Dynamic Range and Match Frame Rate. A brief black flash when playback starts is normal. For Apple TV models, the 4K boxes are the sweet spot. They handle 4K, HEVC, and HDR10 direct play. Apple TV HD is still usable, but it tops out at 1080p. Networking matters more than people expect. High bitrate 4K Remux files are tougher than Netflix-style streams. Clean Wi-Fi can work, but Ethernet removes one of the biggest variables. AirPlay is Plan B. Use it when Swiftfin struggles with a specific file, or when you prefer controlling playback from an iPhone or iPad. But mirroring is not the best 4K movie night path. It adds delay, depends on the phone staying awake and charged, and adds another device to the playback chain. Infuse is the alternative when codec problems keep showing up. Swiftfin is free and Jellyfin native. Infuse can handle more formats with its own decoder, which can reduce server-side transcoding. If video plays but audio is missing, think audio transcoding. AAC, AC3, and EAC3 are safer on Apple TV. DTS and True HD may need conversion from the server. Subtitles can also be the hidden problem. Image-based subtitle formats can force transcoding. If one file stutters, test it with subtitles off, or convert the track to SRT. For server hardware, direct play is easy. A modern PC, or NAS, can serve compatible files. The hard part is 4K transcoding, where hardware acceleration makes a major difference. Storage is part of the chain too. Large 4K Remux files stress your drive and network. A slow hard drive can become the bottleneck when multiple people stream at once. For the best Apple TV choice, match it to your library. The Wi-Fi model is fine for lighter files. The Ethernet model is safer for high bitrate 4K libraries. Bottom line, use Swiftfin as the default. Keep AirPlay as the fallback. If playback stutters, check bitrate, match content, network stability, subtitles, audio formats, and server hardware first. Scan the QR or open smarttvs.org for the full Jellyfin on Apple TV setup checklist, including Swiftfin steps, AirPlay fallback, Infuse comparison, and 4K troubleshooting.